If you use a rod, you can easily put through the filling system and even push some remains from the nozzle, so which means that the filling system is work, right? But when you filling the filament, you found that it sounds like just choke it at this part, which means that his thing sounds like some choke it here, right? So please just take off this PrintSet and double check it. Are there any remains keep inside? Are there any remains just in this place? So please, if you find like this, you can just release the 3 screws and use the rod from this side to push the remains out to make sure that the hole should be very, very clear.